First day in the hotel and in Tenerife. Actually guys, we already changed our room and we brought our luggages in the reception, and later on we will get our new room which is more quiet, we hope so, because last night is really crazy. Di ba be?
It is.
So ayan mga saswang. So ito nga pala yung paligid around the hotel. So yeah. Actually it reminds me of Malta because it looks the same as Malta.
It's really easy to walk down. But when we have to get back to the hotel, it's gonna be a real exercise.
Yeah, because it's downhill. You think you can cycle here, Be? The center of the Tenerife, Santa Cruz, as you can see here, there's like a signage, yeah, and almost nobody is here because it's Sunday, rest day, so it's not crowded, really relaxed day. But we're looking for a shop where we can buy our food, water, and etc. Yeah. So update guys when we found the hotel, supermarket. Market and we found a place to buy. Okay, mga session. Mga session. Maganda dito sa lugar na to, in fairness. Spanish silang lahat. So napakalayo from the main Spain. Tapos it's like a part of Spain, island siya. Now we're looking for sunblock. so we arrived now in our new room. So we exchanged the room. And let's take a look sa aming bagong room. So in this part, guys, we have our kitchen. So this is like the kitchen. Look. And if you go to here, here is the bar, mini bar. And the cabinets here where you can put your luggage or clothes, whatever, is all here. So we have two. And here is our toilet, shower. And then let's enter to the living room. So this is the living room. We have this one, this. Yours is there. This is our room. Yeah.
I'm so sweaty, guys.
Yeah, we're tired.
No,
and
I'm not tired actually.
Here is the balcony. Look, guys, the balcony. Yeah. So the view outside. As well, we just went outside. We bought a lot. Like, we explore the areas, and then we also bought some food. Now it's time to fix ourselves, to fix our clothes, because we stay here for a week. So 1 week ka dito mga sexual. Ayan. So mag-ayos muna kami, and later on chika-chika ulit mga sesh. Depends. So ayan mga sesh, I'm cooking now in our kitchen. So this hotel, they have a kitchen. So for now, I'm cooking sausage and some of our food because we really don't have time today. So this is our food for today.
And I went just in the pool.
Yeah, oh my god, I want to go and swim, but for now, I'll just finish it.
Yeah, then maybe after dinner.
Yes.